This kid wanted to impress his biggest rival, a beautiful Filipina, so he did something nobody expected. He paid their family's entire store debt. But minutes later, he came back and said something so ridiculous, the store owner couldn't believe it. Wait for it.
Naku, andito na naman yung bruhan na to. Kuya Nice, magkano yung utang ko dyan? Babayaran ko na lahat.
Pabayad ka na?
Oo.
Oo nga. Emerson, 4-9 lahat.
Tamang-tama, may 5K ako dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May ano pa ako dyan, 100. Merienda mo na lang. Okay na?
Okay na, paid ka na.
Paid na.
A few moments later.
Yun, wala na yung bruwa. Kuya Nice,
Bakit?
binabawi pala ni mama yung binayad ko na 5K.
Kala ko pambayad mo ng utang mo yun.
Kasi pambayad kasi namin ng kuryente yun. Ay, okay na pala Kuya Nice, okay na. Okay na!
Gulo mo?
Kaya bang yun? Pabili nga ng